guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I made my first 10k in sales revenue. It still sounds kind of crazy when I say it out loud because I kind of dreamt of making that amount in sales for such a long time. Bear in mind guys that I've been in business for about 7 years now, so this has been a long time coming, but I'm going to share with you guys in this video exactly how I did it. If you have not checked out my 2 videos in this series, how to make £1,000 in sales revenue in a month and how to make £5,000 in sales revenue in a month, check out those videos first because we're going to kind of carry on from those as to how I actually made it happen to make my 10k. As always guys, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Check out my Girl Boss video series down below, along with my course How to Start a Product Business from Scratch and my masterclass and all other classes and other things I offer down below. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have the stock ready to make this amount of money. If you are a digital product seller, amazing, because you don't even need to worry about stock. If you are a drop seller, you don't have to worry about stock. But if you are like me and you don't do either of those, you want to try and make sure that your suppliers have enough stock that you need, you have enough stock that you need, or you're available to do pre-ordering, and then that the product you're pre-ordering will have enough stock so that if you do pre-order a load of stock, you don't want to have all those pre-orders waiting and you're not able to fulfill their order when it's time. So just pre-think ahead of how you're going to strategize and make the 10k. And to do that, like I mentioned in the past videos, you want to write down how many units of each product it would take for you to make 10k. So I kind of started off as usual. I wrote down on my piece of paper that I wanted to make 10k. I'd never made it before. I hadn't even made 8k, I don't think. I think the most I'd made in a month was maybe 6k, and that was a lot to me. So I was like, okay, this is a big stretch, but there is a big event coming up, and that was Black Friday, and I thought this could really possibly be the thing that pushes me over the edge and will allow me to make that 10k that I haven't made before. So taking advantage of things that are happening throughout the year is going to be great for you to really push that limit and get your larger sales revenue goals. So I picked Black Friday. You can also pick other things like trade shows. They're really good places to make a lot of sales, or Christmas marketplaces. But your main months of high sales revenue are probably going to be within the summer, and then again when it gets to October, November, December months. Those are going to be your busiest periods when it comes to selling online and in business. So let's just get into the top 5 tips. So number 1 is I chose Black Friday as the focus of how I was going to push myself to make those sales. Again, I had no idea how it was going to happen, but I thought, okay, this month we have Black Friday coming up. There will probably be some other ways that I can make extra sales too, but let me focus on Black Friday. I'd done Black Friday sales in the past, but I'd never done more than 20% off, I don't think. And I hadn't done that on every single product on my store. For this sale, I was going to do every product on the website 30% off. But I also knew I had to do something different. I couldn't at the time launch a new product. I didn't give myself enough time and leeway to actually either buy a new product, test it out, or make my own new product. So I thought I wasn't going to put myself through the stress of that. But what I was going to do is I was going to put a bundle together. Since I knew Christmas was coming up anyway, I knew people were in the gifting mood. So I thought, why not do a sleep gift set? And that was going to be a bundle of a pillowcase, a bonnet and a scrunchie, and that comes all in one set. So I invested in some belly bands that actually said satin gift set, and then it also named what was in the gift set, so that this would wrap around the gift set, and I bought some larger mesh bags for it to all go inside. So that was going to be my winning way to maybe hit that 10k. So I knew, okay, we're going to have a sale and I'm launching something new that I know my customers are going to love, because it can get expensive if you're going to buy a satin pillowcase, a satin bonnet and a scrunchie all at full price. Whereas if you say to them, we're going to have a bit of money off if you buy them all together in a gift set, than what you would have to pay if you were to buy them all together without the gift set. So that will prompt people to buy, and plus it's Christmas and Black Friday, people are buying anyway. So think ahead and think of what you could introduce that's maybe new, or how you can bundle up certain products and give offers. So if it was buy one spray bottle, you get 50% off something else. That is a really great way to gain more sales. So when it came to Black Friday, my phone was, as soon as it turned midnight, ka-ching, 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 all day. I couldn't believe it, and it's crazy because I'd visualized this happening. Like, I've always wanted this to happen, and when it was happening, like, I literally was like in shock. I remember I put it on my story. I'll try and find the clips to put in the video here. 6:45 in the morning. My phone is going crazy. It's been popping off all night already. Pretty much every minute. But I was just, yeah, crazy that it was actually happening to me, and it was finally my time. So yes, I'm so excited for you guys. Make sure you comment down below if you do manage to hit your 10k goal, and let's just get straight into the second tip. Sorry, I have my notes here, so I'm looking down. So the second one is wholesale. Now, I'm gonna do a full video on how to pitch to retailers and get your products in different retailers, but I managed to get a lot of retail wholesale orders that month. That really pushed me over the edge because I wouldn't have done the 10k without my wholesale orders. I got over 4k in wholesale orders that month, and that's because I sell to retailers outside of the UK. We have Sari Curls, we have Colours Malaga, we have Heritage, which is a UK brand. We also have Curly Girl Friendly in the Netherlands. We have quite a few different retailers that order from bulk from us. But the thing is, I never know when their orders are going to come through. It can be 3 times a year, it could be every other month, it could be monthly. So I wasn't really sure what was going to happen in that month, but I was blessed that they actually had all kind of ordered that same month. So I had a large amount of wholesale orders in that 1 month. So that really pushed me to make my 10k. So the third tip is I did a lot of build up for Black Friday, guys. Like, I went in, I got stickers made, Black Friday stickers to put on my packages so that it was just more exciting and like, yay, we're building up for Black Friday, let's go. I took pictures of the stickers and said ready for Black Friday on our story. I made flyers for the Instagram page to say biggest sale yet. I did a lot of images of our boxes of products ready, so it looks like, whoa, they've got that much stock ready. That must mean a lot of people are willing to buy. As you know, I'm an influencer, so on my personal page, UK Curly Girl, I started to do more content around my business and more tutorials using the products. And on my YouTube channel, I again started to do more business videos and stuff like that. So I was building audiences and interest from all different avenues. So I really went in hard with the content and the posting that month. Number 4, which is super important, so make sure you have your pen and your notepad and you're writing this down. I started a separate email list just for Black Friday. Now, this is going to be amazing because it's going to get those customers that are interested in buying from the sale separate to everyone else, so you can target them directly with all of your Black Friday lead up messages. So to do that, what I did through Klaviyo is I made a landing page, a sign up page for Black Friday, which was just a black page, and then it had like in writing, Black Friday coming soon, sign up for all updates. And I put this in my bio, in the Instagram profile bio, the link to the landing page there. And I also made sure every single day to post on my story and say, hey, our Black Friday sales coming soon, swipe up to sign up to find out first what the offers are. They had an incentive to sign up because then they could prepare for what the offer was going to be, and then if they had the money and the funds ready for when Black Friday comes, it's like, yeah, I already know what I'm going to buy, I know how much it's going to cost because she said there's going to be 30% off, I am ready. Definitely segment your list to have a Black Friday list, and then begin emailing your Black Friday customers telling them we're going to have 30% off our satin bonnets, and then a few days later you can say we're going to also have 30% off our pillowcases. Oh, next week we're going to have a bundle deal. Say hello to our satin gift set. Stuff like that. You want to just build the excitement, and having that separate list is going to be really great, because as soon as it's midnight on Black Friday, email them straight away, and then in the morning you can email your main list and then your social media and so on, but target them straight away because they're going to be the ones that are ready with the coins, ready to spend. And the fifth tip is affirmations, visualization, goal setting, vision board. I really believe that all of that definitely helped me to hit 10k. I don't always hit 10k in sales, and I feel like that's because I don't fully focus on doing that. That month I wrote on a piece of paper, I said this is going to be a 10k month. I wrote down all of the things I personally could do to make that happen and the other things that could happen. So I said I could get an order from a wholesaler, I could launch a new product, I could do this, I could do that, all of the different ways. If you had no limit, how could you make that 10k? And I would write it down. I also would listen to my affirmations, my money affirmations every morning and every night. I also screenshotted my monthly revenue on Shopify, because you can show on your analytics how much you make a month, and I photoshopped using my phone the option where you can like add text and draw onto an image. On my iPhone I changed it to 10k for the month, so I'd look at that every day and see, okay, it's possible I'm gonna have 10k on my Shopify, I'm gonna have 10k, even though it didn't come all from Shopify, but I still got the 10k in sales revenue. So I had that to look at to know, and then I had some Pinterest inspiration posts from other small business owners that had screenshotted their home screen on their phone, and it had all of the Shopify notifications that were coming in like every few minutes. And I kid you not, guys, like when it hit midnight, that same thing happened on my phone, the exact same thing as the Pinterest photo I was looking at like every day, every single like minute. Then it became like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half an hour, every hour. It just continued for the whole of the Black Friday day. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching. It just felt so unreal that it was actually happening. So I put a lot of focus on prayer, affirmations, visualization, and really believing that it could happen. So guys, that is how I made my first 10k in sales. It's not all about paid ads. I didn't do any paid Facebook ads at that time. I won't put my life on it, but if I did, I don't put a lot on Facebook ads at all. So you can do it without Facebook ads. You can do this organically if you just build up your audience. Check out my masterclass, how to create content that sells, because if you are continuously creating content that is gaining more customers, that should help too with your sales strategy. I hope this video was helpful, and if you do achieve your 10k goal, come back, comment down below. I hope this was inspirational for you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.